Ewan ko baka nakuya. Gusto lang naman.
Pakita ko. Oras pa. Ready? Go to your position.
Atuloy mo na yan.
Feet flat against your tower muna. Shake muna ng kamay. Now, hands on your push-through bar. Makinig pong mabuti ha. Huwag po bigla-bigla lang. Nag-step. Inhale muna. Exhale to scoot your butt forward. Lapit your shoulder blocks. Sige pa. Right ball up. Followed by your left. Ball, 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 ball. Now, bend your knees to lift your butt up. Right leg labas. Hook kay safety chain. Left hook up. There. Yan po, sa loob. Now, extend all the way. Hips forward. Release ng right leg. Split. Release ng right leg. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nod your head round your back. Slowly. Hook muna ng right leg. Nalito na si Ma'am Joy. Lower down your left.
Joy, sige, Joy! Pinakakama ko. Sa loob.
Lower down. Ay, ma'am, dito ma'am. Ma'am Lai, dito ka na lang po.
Ma'am, shot ng ibibidyo na nakaroon ng kain. Videographer. Hindi ka na.
Nilabas niya, pinasok niya.
Hindi ko na kaya. Ay, ang sabi.
Ma'am, next time huwag ka mag-order ka. Diretso muna ng legs po. Then, hands on your push-through bar. Makinig pong mabuti. Inhale muna. Exhale to scoot your butt forward. Dapit muna kay shoulder blocks. Now, right ball up. Followed by your left. Bend your knees to lift your butt up. Labas ng right leg sa labas po. Hook ng safety chain. Now, left hook up. There. Sige pa. Sige pa. Now, extend all the way. Release ng right leg. Release ng right leg. Extend all the way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nod your head round your back. Hook muna ng safety chain with your right leg. Lower down your left foot. Left foot muna. Then lower down ng right. Lower down your butt. Feet on your tower. And then push. 4 over 5 po sila. Okay? Next batch.
Joy.
Next batch. Kayo lang. 2 over 5 lang kayo. Mama, lagi ba naman mo kasi din ma'am, 1 year old. Okay, yung batch, yung timba, kung ano yung timba, 4 over 5. Kayo po, patatim. Tignan natin. Anong kanina po, 2 over 5 po yung grade niyo sa akin, ha? Dahil po yung team of joy.
Hindi ko mapis na ako. Buti ko na iabot. Ali, isang measurement na lang.
Kulang ka pa hips forward pa. Kasi po, ang gamit na scaffolding, alam natin kung mangyari kasi Kenny ang po eh. Ready? Same po? Yes, same pa din. Same lang po. Mas makukonfuse po siya lang. Pag 1 over 10 na lang kayo talaga na. Pabawi pala tayo. Makinig lang po. Makinig lang. Okay? Makinig lang. Hands on your push through bar. Si Ma'am Princess nakinig lang siya kanina. Inhale muna. Exhale to scoot your butt forward. Lapit kay shoulder blocks. Now, right ball up. Followed by your left. Bend your knees to lift your butt up. Right leg sa labas. Right leg sa labas po. There. Hook kay safety chain. Now, left hook up. Abot. Now, oops. Extend all the way. Release ng right leg. Go to your split. Very good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, Release ng right leg. Lower down your butt. Feet on your tower. Very good.